Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're on day 4 now. We are heading out to Uclulet and Tofino, way over on the west side of the island. And we'll just, take a little look and see if we can't see Japan across the ocean or something like that. Should be a good ride. Not a fast road, but a good road. Cathedral Grove consists of old-growth Douglas fir trees, with some of the oldest getting to be about 800 years old. Almost as old as me. For us Star Wars fans, Episode 6, Return of the Jedi, parts of it were filmed here. A little cool and overcast here today. I'm hoping it doesn't rain. I am in Uclulet, which is on Vancouver Island. Very rugged and very beautiful out here. The ride across the island was cool. By the time I got to Uclulet, I was pretty chilled. There was a short trail near the lighthouse that I thought would help warm me up. I miscalculated and realized halfway through that it was about a 3-kilometer long loop. Well, I guess I could use the exercise, and by the time I was done, I was warm. As an added benefit, the scenery was spectacular. finished eating at Big Daddy's Fish Fry. That is some of the best seafood chowder I think I've ever had in my life. It's so good that I keep coming back for it 13 years later. Go check it out. Tofino has some great scenery, but it is pretty crowded. Finding parking, even for a motorcycle, was a bit of a challenge. It's a place I recommend everybody ride to, but you may only want to do it once or every once in a while. If you like people and crowds, then this is definitely a place for you. Alright, just got back from Tofino. I'm in Nanaimo again. I'm hot, I'm thirsty. Time to go find a beer at your friendly neighborhood pub. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just had myself some fish tacos and a couple beers at the old pub there. It is a beautiful evening in Nanaimo here. It's sunny, no wind, perfect temperature, probably low 20s. This is wonderful. Unfortunately, this also marks my last day on the island. I gotta catch a ferry tomorrow, and we're heading back to the mainland, and I believe I'm in Kamloops tomorrow. I'm heading home, which is good. Definitely want to get home. But always a little sad when the old Right Men Tour of Mayhem starts to come to a close. Alright, we will see you all in the morning. Thanks for watching.